Hey guys, this is about the 100th time that I've recorded this. So here it goes for one last time. Alright, so Friday night I did my Freestyle Fridays live. I did a makeup look using the Zoeva palette. And so I've been trying to upload the separate parts of the video because both my computer and my phone don't seem to like this particular video. I don't know. It's just not working. I've been trying to compile it in different forms. I've deleted everything off of my phone. I've deleted everything off of my memory card, and it's still not working. So attaching some pictures to this video, and hopefully you guys can catch the other two parts. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can see the makeup tutorial live from Friday night. The only difference is the black smoky color, which I did on Saturday, and that's the only difference to the look. All right, so hopefully you guys can catch all the different parts, and here are some pictures. All right, sorry about that technology.